Hello children, how are you all? Hope that all of you are fine. Okay, welcome to the new session of 4th class computer chapter 2. This is our second chapter. Our chapter name is Knowing Windows. What is Windows? Windows is an operating system. Then what is operating system? That operating system that controls all activities related to operation in a computer. Okay. MS Windows has many types. That types are called versions. Okay. Some of the Windows versions are Windows 95, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Windows Vista, etc. The latest version of MS Windows is Windows 7. Okay. So in this chapter we are in this chapter we are go through the Windows 7 operating system. Okay, Windows 7 is a very popular operating system developed by Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft company was developed the Windows 7 and is designed to be used in PCs for business and home purpose. Windows 7 uses the GUI. GUI means a graphic user interface and provides icons, buttons and many other features that help in performing various operations. Windows 7 has quite a unique look and operates on latest technology. Then here some common versions of Windows 7 are given. Let us check. First one, Windows 7 Home Premium. Second, Windows 7 Professional and Windows 7 Ultimate. The desktop of Windows 7 has many icons that are used to open various programs, files and folders. What is file and folder? File? What is file? A file is a collection of data stored on a storage device. And what is folder? Folder is a place where one or more files are stored. That means a folder is a collection of files. Then files and folders. After completing a task on computer, we save our work on hard disk with a name. This saved work is called a file. Collection of many files is called a folder. A folder may have one or more files in it. A folder can hold both files and other folders in it. Then how to create a folder? Let us check the steps to create a folder. Step 1. Move the mouse on any blank space on the desktop. Right click the mouse. A shortcut menu appears on the screen. Okay. Then step 2. Move the cursor on new option. A new submenu appears. See the first one, that blue colored one. Then click and select the folder option. A new folder appears. Then type and give a name to the new folder. Then the folder is ready to store files in it. Okay. So what are the steps? First, click on the blank space of the desktop. Then right click the mouse. Then click on the new option. Then click the folder option. After that, type the name of the file and enter the key. Right. Next one, creating a new file. Files may be created in most of the programs in Windows. When you save your completed task in any program and assign a name, a file is created. Then opening a file or folder. To open a file or folder, move the mouse pointer on the desired file folder and double click on it. It opens the file or folder. Okay. Next one, how to rename a file or folder. Okay, we have to change the name of the file or folder. Then step 1, renaming means changing the name of the existing file or folder. Okay, steps are, first select the file or folder required to be renamed. Then right click the mouse button and select the rename option from the list. Then type new name of the file or folder. Click on the blank space outside the name box. Renaming is done. Then next one, selecting multiple files or folders. There are two ways to select multiple files and folders. First one is adjacent selecting and second one is non-adjacent. So let us check that. First one, adjacent. To select adjacent files or folders, click on the first file or folder to be selected. Then hold the shift key and now select the last file or folder. Then all the adjacent files or folders are selected. The second method is non-adjacent. To select non-adjacent files or folders, click the first file or folder to be selected. Then hold the control key and click on the each of the items required to be selected. Then all non-adjacent files or folders are selected now. For selecting the adjacent files or folders, we are using the shift key, and for non-adjacent selecting we are using the control key. Okay, that is the main thing, remember that. Then next heading, moving a file or folder. To move a file or folder from one place to another, we can follow these steps. Okay. Step 1, select one or multiple files or folders to be moved. Then step 2, right click on the mouse button and click on cut option. Okay. Then select a new location where this file is to be moved. Open it by double click. Then right click the mouse and click the paste option. The file is now moved to a new place. So let us wind up this session and we will continue in the next section. Bye.